Experimenting on cars.
Red our cars aren't down here.
That's a lot of door units. Yeah, but this is way more cars than we have in Hot Wheels City.
Mayhaps the clue lies in the dark unit itself.
What is that? There is way to door the entire world. Nobody will be driving anytime, anywhere, and the cars will all be controlled from here. Man, that ain't freedom. I knew doors were too good to be true.
Something smells like cat pee, also known as danger.
We gotta tell Larry about this. Quick,
Today was good fun, brother of mine.
yeah.
Gary, having you back feels just like old times. Even the robots like Jerry is acting like a whole new man.
I had a wonderful time, Mary. Me too, Jerry. You did?
All right. What do you want to do next, brother? Play hopscotch? Have a pillow fight? Or homemade ice cream?
I've got a better idea. Let's play booby trap.
And you're the booby!
Mary!
I've never heard of that game. And what are you doing with Jerry? And what are you doing with me?
Gary, please